friends, today we are going to make an origami boomerang from an A4 size sheet. Let's start. First we fold the A4 size sheet in half, like so. Now we open it and we need to cut along this line in half. Now that we have cut our paper in half, we will take one half. In this half, we will fold it half. Now we will open it, and now we will fold from this place to this line, like so. Now we will fold it in half like this. Now we can see a line here. We will fold this corner to this line. Just straighten it out because sometimes it folds the way you don't want it. Do this for this corner as well. Fold it firmly as we will need it. Now open and open. Now we will only open one part like this. Now we will reverse fold this part and this part so that they are valley folds, and now we will do this part as a mountain fold and slowly put it like this. If you did not understand, let me show you again. This is our paper. We put this from here to here, fold it like this and put it here. This will not flatten on the ground as we have not done some folds. Now we will have to put this like this and then fold this like this. Now we will pull this up a bit and then pull this into this pocket. Just straighten it out after you've put in it because sometimes it doesn't exactly go in. Let me show you the inner part. We have to, it sometimes valley folds over there, so we are going to push it in here. Now, as you can see, it has taken a shape of a boomerang. Nice. We will now flip this and we will just straighten these out. Now we will open this side like this. It will not lie flat, and fold this like this, and the same for the other corner. Now what we can do is open one corner, take it out like that, and then fold it like this. Now we will close this and put this corner into this pocket. Like so. Now for the other side, we will flip it and then open it, and we will see that there is only one layer over here, and multiple layers over here. So we will take this one and fold it like this and do the same that we did for the other one. You open this, we do this. Now we close this and we put this inside. Now our boomerang is ready. Let's test. We have our boomerang. Let's slide. See? It comes back. Let's try again. Headshot. Amazing, right?